Hello everyone, Hatem Ali for Objection, back again with the news as we always promised. Today we brought for you this case. This is the most cheapest and nice case that you will ever see in your life, okay? Let's put this cover away. Listen guys, I want to tell you something. Why do you need to spend thousands of grivna or thousands of dollars or thousands of ruble or thousands of yen for a case that should not deserve the money? I mean, too much, and and this case is cheap and it's gonna protect your phone in the same of the case that should cost 1,000 even dollar. iPhone have original cases cost like $180 or 190. Why do I need it? Listen to me guys, I bought this case, it's so cheap, it will protect your phone. And trust me, and I don't know this company, and this company not pay for me 1 cent, and I'm telling you always the truth. And you know my channel. Listen to me, I'm gonna tell you 3 important things, okay? This is you can find on Amazon, eBay, Spiggin, okay? You can find it anyway, it costs $30, okay? And this is so nice material. I'll tell you why what's the 3 points why I chose this case, okay? This is the iPhone Max here, okay? Let's unbox. Sorry, wait. Guys, my GoPro is out of charge, so I hold phone by one hand. Okay, I put out from the case. Okay, listen to me. Here, they tell you that to clean the phone. Here they give you wet tissue. You got me that you can clear the case, clean the phone, and then put him. Do not put in dirtiness. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something. See, this is what I'm talking about. Look. The case are silicone, okay, but it's tough kind of silicone. It's not the silicone that's weak. No, it's tough kind. I hate so much to buy case that huge and tough. You got me? There is cases huge, like you put gun in your bucket, and when you carry phone, your bucket, your bands is going to drop from you from how heavy it is. No, I love simplicity in my videos, in my case, in my life. Case, it's protecting my phone. It's nice and light and tough. Listen, I want to tell you something. The most second important thing that why I have to cover the beauty of my phone. For example, some people I see that he have iPhone Max or iPhone X or iPhone or Samsung Note 9 or whatever. The phone are black or blue or whatever, and the case are green. There's cases green, blue, yellow. Why do you need it? You need to appear how your phone are luxury, how your phone are beautiful. You need to appear the color of your phone. Why you have to hide the sexy for the phone or the beauty? By buying normal cover. I mean cover that he hide the background. This is really silly. I don't like this. You should appear the beauty of your phone. Whatever your phone color is, since you chose this color, so you like it. Black, blue, gold, space gray, whatever. So number 1 for me, I need case that should appear my phone, but that I don't want to cover the beauty of my phone. Especially I chose gold color, okay? Number 2, that she's light, not heavy, not tough. Not when I insert her inside my bucket, I feel that I insert gun. You guys, Tex Rex in YouTube that he showcase cost $1,700 aluminum. Why I need all this? And in the end, when he drop her from 2nd floor, the phone broke. Listen, I want to tell you something. You have to believe in your God, If your destiny that your phone is gonna broke up today, if you broke today, he will broke today. If your destiny, if you will put him inside tank, if your destiny that you will go home, this is your fate, with broken phone, whatever you will put him, he will broke. And if your destiny that you will, Mr. John, Mr. Hatton, Mr. whatever, he will go home, is written in your book that you will go home and back today with non-broken phone. If you drop him from airplane, he will not broke. Something will happen and he will not broke. Anyway, you do what you should do and leave the rest on God, okay? But see, $35, listen, $35, and this is what I tell you now. Look, wait guys. Okay. Now I put him inside the phone, look. The most important for me, that's protecting the edge here, look. It's more higher than the screen. It's not bother to touch or anything. Look, I can grab, wait. Boy. What I hate in iPhone Max, that not like it's Note 9. You can grab screen from anywhere. No, you have to only from down. So fucking complicated. Samsung is better. Anyway, guys, so I'm telling you, see here how's the edge. Look, I'll explain you how. What I like on this case. Look. What you hear now, this is not him. I will go to ground. Look. Look. This is not the phone beating the ground. This is the case. You got me? See? This is the case. Let me do it more down. See? Now, this is... Look, this is the case. So if you drop him, nothing will happen. I hope so. Now, so, what I'm telling you now... So, the point here that... the case is more higher than the screen. There is a lot of cases I found them, and guys, focus about this, even if you will not buy this brand, okay? Focus about 3 things now. I'm gonna tell you that the cases cover the edges more high than the phone for itself, which is mean if he will fall down like this, he will not break the screen. The case will take the shot, okay? Okay. Number 2, make sure that the case is not tough and huge and like this. It's silicone tough material if you don't want to buy this brand. Number 3, don't buy something, as I tell you, that have green, blue, red. That's the silliness. Better to appear the color of the phone, appear the symbol, appear the luxury of the phone. You don't have to cover anything by the colors, but cover your phone color and your symbol, everything. Buy it visible, you got me? This is the most 3 points about case. And that's it. $30 is so goddamn enough for case. Nothing more than this. I recommend you. Really, it's so beautiful case and not expensive. You got me. And I didn't know her name is big. I didn't expect with $30 buy a case beautiful like this. No need for luxury cases or skin case that have dragon here. Where I would put all this in my bucket like I put gun. Put your hands up. Why I need this shit? So that's it. Anyway, guys, so thanks for watching and see you again with Hatem Ali for objection. And I hope you enjoy my video and take my advice. I am Baba Hatem. And peace and love for everyone. I have a lot of videos. I have to make them. So guys, peace. Bye bye.